Jai Hind everyone. My today lecture topic is roles of MNCs in India. MNCs, multinational corporates. Multinational corporates are companies that operate more than one country. Their headquarters in only one particular country. They grown rapidly after the economic liberalization in 1991, which opened the door for foreign investment. What are the benefit of what are which are, they brought up several benefits to India, like foreign investment. They brought up large amount of capital, which helps building industries, infrastructure, and services, generating jobs. They generated more than thousands of jobs, like Infosys, Amazon, Tata, and Mahindra can generate so many jobs in areas like rural and urban also. Generating economic and roles in economic role. Export and economics. Some companies like Hyundai manufacturing in India, so manufacturing in India and export in world. So that's we can reserve the foreign reserve excel. So they build up a connection between global chain supply and consumer choices. They brought up several MNC brought up several choice. So Indian consumer have so many choice, and Indian companies also made a quality of product. However, there are some problems, some challenges and problems also, like the waste problems in Barkash, environment problems. So in conclusion, MNC brought up so many jobs in India. MNCs bring development in India, and MNC brings many jobs in India and bring development in India. After that, there are some we have to we have to regularly check them on they are working properly and working on environmentalist and working with us. They are just not partners. They are just not partners. No, they are not investors. They are also partners in growth of India. Thank you, everyone.
Good.